No. Okay, so with the sauce that you dip your crab prawns in, I thought it was the water that you use, but it's not. So YouTube had to correct me. You used butter, so we used 1 block of butter. Then we added our seasonings. You can really add what you want. We added garlic, chili pepper, parsley, lemon pepper, black pepper. We just added what we wanted just to give it that good flavouring. And then once we added that to the butter, we had spring onions, garlic, chopped onions, and this is how it came out, ladies and gentlemen. So nice. Back in business. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another video. Look where I have to put everything just for the potato. Hey! Potato. I'm sweating.
I can't get this out. Oh my gosh, I got it out.
Look at that big piece. Look at that big piece.
Time to dip.
What, Mr. Freddy over there enjoying.
Trying to pack it open.
Took the whole day.
See,
I don't like the feeling of dirt on my hands. That's how I eat.
Yeah, that's
you know that's how I eat.
I'm sorry, I can't. Today I couldn't help it. My hands had
when it comes to seafood, any video you watch,
everywhere, innit?
Your hands get dirty.
The cleanest person eating.
Yeah. Your drink, your cup, even your cup,
everything is a representation.
Your hands should be messy.
All up in my
little.
Otherwise you're not enjoying it.
I am enjoying. I just don't like that feeling because I have to get up and go wash my hands. I don't like the feeling of dust. Potato.
Yeah, I told you the one.
We got chicken sausages. Nah, them live lobsters at the market.
What? Oh.
Yeah, I don't.
What?
I don't know. It's just.
Oh, they got their elastic bands on.
Frothing and that.
Frothing?
The man just lift up. He's like, yes, look here. I was like, ah!
Oh my gosh! You can't be talking about live animals and then.
I was like, I don't even know if I want this anymore. But they were just moving.
When you bought these ones, they were dead, were they? They weren't moving.
Yeah, there was fresh frozen.
Yeah. No, it's not. There was some in the tank too.
No, I only saw you like fussing. I didn't see you.
Corn is good.
Look
at your hands.
Look at that. Can you do a close up of your hand?
My dad has no care in the world where this food is dripping.
Anyway, I'm going to end this video, but all I have to say is it came out really good. We've been up from, well, me and Chanel have been up from early in the morning to go to
I've been up since
fish
12.
market. 12. We've been up from around 3 something. No, we was up at 3.
Well done, girls.
To get all the fresh fish, fresh lobster, crab,
You know what's
And
amazing? We've done it in a day.
We've literally done it in a day, but it took you all day. Literally. Well done. Came out good. You see how you have to clap your hands? Well, no, not Shana. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye, guys. No. Bye, guys. You do a little. You do it.